The wind howled, and the waves crashed against the shore as a fierce storm raged over the bay. The sky was a canvas of dark clouds, illuminated by streaks of lightning that danced across the expanse above. The air was thick with the smell of salt and rain, and the thunder roared like a lion's roar. A lone figure stood on the beach, braving the elements. He was a young man named Ryan, and he was drawn to the power and beauty of the storm. He watched as the lightning illuminated the bay, casting an eerie glow on the water. He could hear the thunder rumbling in the distance, and he felt the wind whipping through his hair. Ryan was not afraid of the storm. He found it exhilarating, a reminder of the raw power of nature. He felt a sense of peace and serenity as he stood there, surrounded by the storm's fury. As the storm raged on, Ryan felt a sense of awe and wonder. He realized that he was just a small part of something much larger, something that he could never fully understand. He felt a deep connection to the earth, the sea, and the sky. The storm eventually subsided, leaving behind a sky full of stars. Ryan looked up in wonder at the vastness of the universe. He felt a renewed sense of purpose, and he knew that he would carry the memory of this night with him always.